The reading order can be one of the most important parts of making sure that your document is readable by assistive technology. As the reading order is typically generated based on the order in which content was added to the document, it's quite common for the reading order to be off. To start checking the reading order, open the Order tab in the left side panel. Here we can see a numbered list that corresponds to the highlighted elements in the document. The document will be read in the order in which they are listed here in the reading order panel. If there is anything that is not highlighted or listed, that element will not be read. There's also a tool within the accessibility panel that can help us with the reading order, also called Reading Order. The Reading Order tool has several helpful settings. The first thing I recommend when using this tool is to uncheck the Display Like Elements in a Single Block checkbox. This will ensure that you have the most granular view of the reading order. When the elements are grouped together, it's not possible to tell if the elements within that group are in the proper reading order themselves. Ungrouping the elements allows us to see the reading order for each individual element on the page. The Show Tables and Figures checkbox determines whether we can see the special highlighting for tables or see a tooltip preview of the alternative text on images. If either of those get in your way of being able to see the proper reading order, you can simply turn them off. Another useful feature of the Reading Order tool is that it allows you to select and include elements of the document that are not already included in the reading order. While the tool is open, your cursor will turn into a crosshair shape. You can use this to highlight a certain element and then select the appropriate type of tag it should receive. In most cases, it might be text paragraph, but this can also be used for headings and figures or images as well. Now let's make some adjustments to the reading order. Before you start adjusting the reading order, I recommend you save your document. I've noticed that certain documents make this process a little bit buggy, so save frequently just in case. When you notice an element is out of order, as we have a couple of them in this particular document, you can simply click the element within the reading order panel, click and hold your mouse button down and drag it to the appropriate location within the reading order. Once the reading order is just how you want it, remember to save your document once again. Now let's test the reading order out. Did you know that Adobe Acrobat has its own built-in screen reader? To access it, go to the View menu at the top of the screen. Go to Read Out Loud and then activate Read Out Loud. To actually use it, we'll need to go back to the View menu, back to Read Out Loud. Now that it's activated, we can choose Read this page only or read to the end of the document. Let's try it out.
Document accessibility the hard way. A sample document to illustrate several different PDF accessibility issues. Major topic number 1. Lorem ipsum dolor sit amit, consecti ter.
Sounds like it's reading pretty well. Let's continue on to other accessibility issues.